Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase your phone storage. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using Android phone. Either you are using iPhone or Android phone, you need to go into your Play Store or Apple Store. After going there, you need to find this application. This mobile application is available in your Play Store and Apple Store. You need to search for phone storage. After searching for phone storage, you can see there are different applications which are going to come. You need to select this one, which is called AVE Cleaner. As you can see, I have already installed it on my Android phone. Now I have to open this application. After opening this application, you can see they are giving me various details. Note that this application can be used for free and you can choose to pay some subscriptions to use different features. However, to use different features you need to pay, but you can choose to use with ads and use their features as well. Now you see I have 1.47 GB free spaces in my phone. What I can start with different media, apps, tips, exploration, or sleep mode. Let me start by scanning. What I need to do, I need to click quick scan. After clicking on the quick scan, it is going to scan all files I have on my Android phone. And it is going to show me the junk files that is scanning now, and also I can decide to delete some files. Now let's wait for the scan and proceed. As you can see, because I'm using the free version of this application, it is also showing ads. That means you can use ads the same time while using the application features. Now I need to wait. As you can see, it is 50% scanning this, and also I need to wait. Once this is done, I can proceed and also delete some files. Now you can see it already scanned all files on my Android phone. It is showing me empty folders with 9 items. You can see it is showing me files to review, which include these epic files. It is showing me these files that are not relevant to my projects. I can click on them and edit them. So once I'm done, I can also be cleaning them. Let's see, finished cleaning. This is done. So I can skip now and also go back. You can see it is showing me that I saved 20.8 GB. If you are checking back to my free space, it is showing me 1.45 GB on my Android phone. So now I can go back and also try to choose different files which I don't need. And also you can see I can be able to still review the files and also be able to delete some files that I'm not in or I'm no longer need. I can again also contact the quick scan. As you can see, because I'm using free mode, it is also showing ads. Now it is bringing me different ads, and also I can be deleting some unwanted files on my phone. If you scroll down and delete all unwanted files, the more you delete files, also the more your space is gonna be increasing. Normally, what this application is going to be helping you is to clear all unwanted files or to manage the files so that you can decide which files you can delete, which files are not wanted, and also you can be able to see all files on your phone. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Turn on the notification bell button for future video updates.